Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites: microphone permission, location when needed, and that the device is near the sound source. Then force close Shazam and any heavy audio apps. This frees the mic. Once done, restart Shazam and test briefly. If the app still won't hear anything, toggle airplane mode for 5 seconds to reset network-dependent features. These steps remove permission conflicts and simple resource locks, so you avoid deeper configuration errors before moving to detailed troubleshooting. Now move to networking and app integrity. You should test Shazam on Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if connectivity affects recognition. Some features require network lookups. Next, clear the app cache or reinstall Shazam to remove corrupted files that block analysis. Make sure both the operating system and the Shazam app are up to date. Updates often fix audio codec or permission bugs. After these actions, reopen the app and run a new sample to confirm recognition improves. Finish by verifying audio input and environment. You must disable Bluetooth audio outputs and any wired headsets so the phone's internal mic is used. Otherwise, Shazam hears nothing. Move to a quieter spot and reduce ambient noise. Shazam's matching works best with clear input. If problems persist, collect crash logs, note device model and OS build, then contact support with that info. One key troubleshooting tip: test with another recording app to isolate whether the mic or Shazam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.